Hey guys, look what arrived. Yes, I get very excited about these things. So this is the May 2022 Simon Says Stamp card kit. Yes. Literally it arrives. This is hand on heart, first time I'm opening this. It arrives, I take all the gump of the outside off, and this is how it comes to me. I'm really quite surprised that it comes all like nice like this from, I live in a different place, you know, completely different place, so different world. So I'm impressed with how this, you know, nothing gets damaged, that kind of thing. Anyway, I'm waffling now, so I'm just going to open this up. It might be a bit noisy. Oh, sorry. Oh, so as you know, this is how they come. We have some embossing powder, so I will go through that in a minute. And these, I think I've said it before, keep these. You can store paper, you can store all sorts of stuff in these, but you can also use them as spray booths, which I do. Yep, it's that kind of day. I'm going in. Right, I get really excited. Right, so candy as always, which is so cute. This is a bubblegum flavour, so oh, that's a nice one. I like that. Bubblegum. Right, so what I pulled out first was their own. This is fine detail clear embossing powder. So that for me is a lovely thing to try, because I've never used their embossing powders before. Obviously, because I haven't bought them before. So this is fun. I like that you get like full size. This is a full size jar. You get full size or the mini versions of some things, like gel pastes and things, but you get like this kind of thing. It's not just paper and stamps. You get other product as well. So that's really nice. Then we have one of their own. It's a mini blending brush, which I think another one came in a different kit, but that's always handy. I love these blending brushes. So lovely. And then we have, let me get some of this other stuff out the way. You always get like a gift card thing, thingamabob. And then this is like there's some ideas from other crafters, and then obviously the list of things. So you'll have to bear with me, because as always, just so that I make sure I tell you the right thing. So in the kit you get 4 mini Simon Says cubes of ink. This is the same as their saturated, positively saturated inks, but in a cube form. Now I don't believe you can buy these separately, so I believe these are just in the kit, but there's some really pretty colours, and obviously you can see the names of the colours are on there, you know, on the actual ink cube. And I like that these are actually in their little like container kind of thing. So this is handy if you just want to store them like that. The other way that I store minis is in one of the Tim Holtz mini, like for his mini inks. I use that as well for like my lawn form ones. I don't have the mini distress inks, but I use them for these, and that they fit in there perfectly. So, but I like that there's this little thingy you can keep them just neat and tidy in your drawer or wherever. Then we have a smaller of the like mesh bags, and you can keep slimline cards, slimline card and paper. You could keep anything that's going to fit in this sort of elongated thing. You could even store some dies in there if you don't have a lot of slimline dies. Sorry, this is kind of noisy. But the reason they gave you this little bag is because you also get one of these. Oh, I love the colour. Oh, my walls are this colour. Not as bright as this, but my walls are basically this colour. This is to hold your ink cube. So you will put the ink cube in there and then take the lid off, and the lid can sit in the top bit. So you'll have the open one here and the lid here. How cool is that? But just on your desk. And it's the same like silicone stuff that the Positively, what is that thing called? This thing is made out of. So it's a non-slip grippy thing, so it sticks, not sticks, but grips to your surface. So when you're using your blender brush and your ink pads are in here, then you can just, you know, swirl them around and they're not going to move all over the desk. But you can also store it in the little bag, or you could use the bag for something else, of course. So then that's very cool. Then you get one of the, I think this is Doll Pink. Is that the name of the colour? Yeah, Doll Pink envelope. And then these papers, not sure why it's like that, but anyway. These are from, why can't I see that? Oh, Prima Marketing. Painted Floral is the name of the paper. So I'll just show you here. Well, that's pretty. That's got some foiling on it. Can you see that? That is really cool. Oh, I like that. And then there's this sort of bluey colour on the back. That's nice too. And then again, this has got some foiling on it. That's really pretty as well. Some florals. And then like a, I don't know, I'd say Aztec kind of thing going on. I don't know. I like the foiled sides. Very cool. And then like a checkerboard. And then again, there's some foiling on these as well. But these are nice because you can use those for even these little ones. You can use them for, you know, just a little card, or put it onto a tag, or in your journals, you know, or not journals, your Project Life. It's that sort of size. That's cute. And then a checkerboard thing. It's not a checkerboard, but you know what I mean. Little squares, and again some more foiling there. Very pretty florals. That's nice. Nice stripes. And again, I'm loving all the foiled bits more than anything. And then that as well. Very nice. Very nice. Very pretty. And there are, I forgot to say, 6 double-sided sheets. And then of course we have the Doll Pink, Simon Says stamp, the black, and I think this is Nina. Yeah, Nina Solar White. So this is 110, and these two of Simon's are £100 cardstock. Again, that's a very cool colour combination, just FYI. If you're ever stuck for colour combos, and I've thought about this in the past when I, like, you know when you just lose your mojo, if you do black and white and then add your favourite colour, so keep it like monochrome with just one colour, add your favourite colour and you can still make a really cool card or scrapbook page or whatever. And then of course the stamp set, stamps. You know what I mean. So 6x8 stamp set, of course, you always get a 6x8. And these are called brushed flowers. So it's meant to look, it's not as obvious I think on here, but when you stamp them, and I've seen a few examples of it, it looks like a brushed, like there's brush work, if that makes sense, when someone stamped them. So it's like someone sat there and actually painted them. So I think that's very cool. You can make some nice, really simple cards, or you can make them as elaborate as you like. And if you've got a scan and cut, you can stamp these out in different colours using your inks, and then cut them out with your scan and cut, and then you've got actual die cuts. as opposed to trying to cut them out. I don't know if there's a die set. If there is, Simon will probably have them on their website. But there's some nice sayings in here, like just a note, thank you, sending hugs, you're special to me. And then there's some teeny tiny ones that you can then use as like a block underneath the main sentiment. So that's really, really nice. Or on the inside. I always forget to do the inside. So yeah. So I hope this was a cool look at the May, excuse packaging, at the May 2022 Simon Says Stamp card kit. And this is Brushed Flowers. I think that's the name of the kit. Yeah, it is the name of the kit. So stay tuned. I will have some videos hopefully this week that this video is posted. I'm going to try and do that so when the kit comes in, because it comes in about a month after I order it because of where I live. So I'm hoping that I'm going to start to do the unboxing video, and then that week I'll have a few ideas for you. Not necessarily cards, so stay tuned for that. But thank you for everybody for thank you to everybody at least for liking, subscribing, commenting, and hitting that notification bell. That really helps my channel, so I can't thank you guys enough. You guys are awesome and I read all your comments. I just need to really get back to it and actually answer them. So thank you guys, thanks for stopping by, and I hope this was this looks like a fun kit for me, so really bright and summery. So I will be back with some ideas. Stay tuned for that, and I will see you then.